Hey guys, welcome back to a video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to do an unboxing of these phones I picked up on eBay. Now these are all sealed that I remembered or at least seen on the listing. Well sealed. Plastic's a little brittle now. Here's the first one. I guess it's already assigned a phone number. Shows the date. Pretty crazy, to be honest with you. This is, I think, a UT Starcom. It doesn't tell you the model number, which is kind of crazy. You would think it would. But, I guess there's the device. It used to be Dollar General. There's the first one there. Here's the second one. Samsung M220. This one's definitely been through some better days. This is only a year newer than this one. See, it's definitely seen a little bit better days. The yellowing, plastic's all cracking, but there's that one as well. We have two more here. We have a Sanyo. 2300, 2400. I think this is a 2300 if I remember right. 2009 on this one. Packaging is not the best on that one. And this is the one I originally bought. As you people know, my obsession with the A560. 2009 as well. Now it looks like it's been rubbing in the package and has rubbed the paint off the front of it. On that one spot there. Yeah, you see how it's on the phone, but it is what it is. So the question is, what do you guys think I should do? Should I leave these all in the original packaging, or should I open them in a separate video? You guys can let me know in the description, and stay tuned for the next one. Or in the comments, my bad.